Welcome back to the shop, friends, over here at Mad Racing Parts. As some of you may know, we purchased a Mainline Hub Dyno last fall. That got delivered in November, and we've been using it, very happy with it. However, in December, Mainline came out with a new control package and new software that's supposed to be revolutionary. And we wanted to have the latest and greatest stuff, so we called them up and sent some money over there, and yeah, so the other day we got a couple nice boxes, and we're gonna open them up now so we can see together what all comes in the package for the new controls and the new software for your Mainline Pro Hub. I understand that we're the first people to actually get this upgrade, so we'll kind of be the guinea pigs on installing it and sorting out any problems, but I'm told it works really well. So let's get into the box. Actually, quite a lot of stuff comes in here. I thought software package, you just think you're getting, a couple CDs or something like that. But, yeah, quite a bit of stuff. So this is the pod. I don't know what all this stuff's called, but that's one thing that comes in the kit. And a couple of harnesses. So these brackets go inside of the Pro Hubs over there. One for each, and some hardware for that. That's the first box. I have some free headphones. A couple more harnesses. This one for the weather station. That says for map 1. Cane control box. Yep, here. Okay, so we got dual wideband sound. Yep, 2 dual wideband controller, flash sensors. So we got some harnesses for that. May come in handy. We've got a pretty looking box here. This one, okay, so these are the actual controllers, I guess, that go in the hubs. That's pretty fancy. That's billet aluminum. Okay. Pretty neat. And it's got our serial number on it. So here we have some sort of, well, I think it's heavy. It's got some weight to it. That's all billet aluminum. It has some kind of screen, Bluetooth. Yeah, we'll be excited to put that in. They say it takes about 6 hours to pull all the stuff out and install the new stuff and have it up and running. So I'll do some sort of video on that and see if that's the case or not. Another module, looks like they use the mil-spec type connectors and H stuff. Nice bracket. Some kind of big bracket that probably goes in the rack over there. Probably to hold, I would guess, that screen. That looks the same size. Probably goes with that. Oh, they sent new left and right cables. That's the right one, that's the wrong one. Okay. New cables. All the other stuff. And we're gonna put the software in the PC through TeamViewer. So that's it. Y'all have a good night. We'll keep you updated on the install.